Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Fiverr account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now, on your screen at the bottom right corner, you're going to find your user icon. Tap on it, then you'll see categories like My Fiverr, Settings and Resources. Go ahead and tap on Account under the category Settings. Now there you can see your account info, then Account Management. Under Account Management, you're going to have to select Deactivation and Deletion. Select Delete Account from your screen and tap on Continue to Account Deletion. Review what's written on your screen, then tap on Continue to Account Deletion. Then select why you want to leave it. Then tap on Delete Account. Now you're gonna have to type in Delete in all caps, then tap on Delete Account from your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete your Fiverr account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.